comment, and subscribe.
Hello friend! Today I want to tell you the fact about animal. especially elephant. I love elephant. They are big and cute. How about you? Do you know elephant? Have you seen them? And do you like it? Let me tell you the other animal beside the elephant that you may know about them. Here is rhinoceros. Hippopotamus. There is also lion. This one is zebra. And this is our guest star today, the elephant. Well, let's enjoy the video. Elephant never forget. Have you ever heard if elephant never forget? And is it true? Well, why they hard to forget though? Regarding the research, it's because they have a big brain volume. They have skill to remember the place they ever went and human they ever meet. Even though it's happened a long time ago. Even they ought to inherit it to their own descendants just for a living. For example, rock, water, and food. Elephant could be able to differentiate language. Do you know if elephant can differentiate human language? Honestly, it's also my first time to hear it. However, regarding research from National Park Amboseli, Kenya, elephants tend to feel nervous when they hear endangered human voice. But when they hear friendly human voice, they could be able to give a good response against it. If they used to coexist with human when they was born, for example, baby elephant that born in a zoo and trained by human. Elephant can hear from their own feet. Besides they have a good memory, elephants also have a good sense of hearing though. They even can hear from the vibration trough their own feet from far away. This skill also supported by their ears with sensitive nerve. That nerve also exists in elephants' feet and tongue. That's why elephant will give order to their soul when danger is going out, and the soul will going to the secure place. Elephant can swim. Do you know if elephant can swim even they have a huge body? Elephant is like to playing in the water, sprouting water through the trunk, and cycling their feet for swim. This attribute is needed when they want to cross the river or lake, while looking for food. In fact, the trunk can be lifted into the air. They don't even getting hard to breathe while swimming. Elephant can support other elephant. Beside the other fact, this is what make me really curious. Cause elephant is intelligent social being. They will cheer the said elephant, very cute, and teach us about love. When it happening, elephant will make noisy through its trunk, or touch other with the trunk. Therefore, if in the soul there's feel hard and sad, the other will help to cheer them up.
Good job, Atari 600. 21.
Please comment and subscribe.